Mia, how do you like it? Do you think you could come up for air for a second? My goodness gracious. Poopy. Slow down, woman. Snow. Could you come up for air? I think somebody likes the chicken soup. We'll wait for the end to see if she licks her lips. My God, call a snarfaholic. Mia, I think we're down to the end of the bowl, honey. Okay, we're down to the bowl. Mia, let me see. You like Mama's soup? Mia, there's nothing left, honey. No. Mia Valentina, could you come up for air for a second? Mia, I guess you liked it. Did you like Mommy's soup? Mia, did you like Mommy's soup? Oh my goodness gracious. Mia, that's the cleanest dish I've ever seen. My goodness. Did you like Mommy's soup? Mmm. You like it? You're a Jewish doggy. Yes, you are. Mama baby, you like Mama Chicky soup. Mmm.